Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with this month with BitUnix, who are offering a $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up with them. We've also partnered with Funded Bits, who are giving a great discount on their funded challenges right now, 20%. Amazing trading platform and conditions, so make sure to get involved there as well. Also make sure to grab your sign up bonuses from our other exchange partnerships with BingX and Bitrue. They're offering a ton of free money, so be sure to sign up and get deposited with them as well. Bitrue specifically has some incredible bonuses right now for signing up and depositing. They're a great exchange, so make sure to go get involved on their platform depositing and trading. Alright then, so we're just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame here for another daily update today. As we can see, yesterday closing pretty bullish, to be honest. Another big rejection of this downside move that we've been seeing in the markets. Obviously this is just because of what Bitcoin's moving like. We can see Bitcoin with a massive rejection of that downside move yesterday. Lots and lots of volatility yesterday because of some of the political stuff that's going on in the world right now between, you know, the talks we've seen with the USA president and Zelensky, etc, etc. You can see here we've obviously got big movements in the market that were already occurring, but obviously a bit more volatility with those kinds of things, as you would expect. Been on the move to the downside, as I've been expecting for a good while here. After this big few weeks of low volume, low volatility, I assumed we were going to have a drop to the downside for Bitcoin. We've been going sideways in a range for a few months now, really 3 or 4 months, before we finally got this drop that I was looking for a nice correction of this recent move here. I think this is a good area for a bounce. As I've said in previous videos, we did come down into this area and get a huge rejection, as you can see. Bitcoin currently sitting at 85k after coming down to around 78k into this big area of demand that I've been looking for. You can see we've got some liquidity in this area, and really I was expecting, as I said, at least a 30-40% retrace of this local move, and we've probably got realistically about that now, wouldn't you say? If we take a look just from here to here, we've actually got around almost a 50% retrace. This is probably looking like 40% here, over 40% retrace, which is very healthy for the markets. And because of this, obviously we've seen the rest of the altcoin market getting absolutely destroyed because of it. But with Bitcoin having a nice bounce yesterday, we can see Verasity basically just following its price action, coming down, probably trying to fill this previous altcoin wick that we saw, coming down, still trickling to the downside. Obviously when Bitcoin drops, the whole market does get beaten down. But right now, Verasity here still holding in and around this bear market range low. Lots of rejections of that downside move now. And you can see here Verasity, in my opinion, in a primed area for a bounce. Obviously it looks like it's holding much stronger than most cryptos in the altcoin basket, simply because it's so smashed down already and coming into a key area of support. There's not going to be many sellers down here, in my opinion. More likely to be buyers once we've seen the market turn to the upside again. I think with Bitcoin coming down and having this move, as you've seen, this ridiculously huge doji candle rejection of the low, you can see we tapped into that area of liquidity I was looking for, and now could potentially see a bounce at least back up to retest into this area first, or come down here and get a prolonged consolidation before continuation. Either way, Bitcoin looking like it's having a healthy retrace, and as a result, Verasity has basically been trickling to the downside overall, but I do think in a good area of demand, probably likely to bounce back up towards that 0.23 Fibonacci over the next few months, provided that Bitcoin gets the bounce. I think that it will from this area. We've actually surprisingly held quite well, considering Bitcoin has been dumping the markets a massive amount. Let's see what we can do. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another daily video. Make sure to go down below and sign up with BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up. Get involved with our other exchange partnerships as well for free sign up bonuses, and like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.